Hello, learners. Welcome to the tuition center. So, today in this video, we will discuss the creative writing section for class 10th. मिड टर्म स्पेशल के लिए 5 मार्क कंटेंट करता है लेटर सेक्शन। हमने इस वीडियो में कुछ लेटर्स पिक करे हैं जो कि अभी के सीबीएसई सैम्पल पेपर में भी आए हुए हैं और प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर में आए हैं। तो अब ये जो वीडियो है वो क्लास 10th के लिए स्पेशल रहने वाली है, जिसमें हम लेटर राइटिंग डिस्कस करेंगे। आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, पहला क्वेश्चन है, यू आर राशि राहुल ऑफ सीमरगढ़ हिमाचल प्रदेश, राइट अ लेटर टू द म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ द सिटी ड्राइंग अटेंशन टू द अनअटेंडेड कंडीशन ऑफ द पब्लिक पार्क्स इन योर टाउन. They are poorly maintained with garbage strewn and pools of stagnant water. Give suggestions on how the parks can be maintained. Okay, so here is the solution. First, you start your letter with your address, राशि सीमरगढ़ हिमाचल प्रदेश. 1 लाइन छोड़कर डेट, देन 1 लाइन छोड़कर रिसीवर एड्रेस म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन, देन सीमरगढ़. 1 लाइन छोड़कर आपको देन सब्जेक्ट लिखना है, पुअर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ पब्लिक पार्क्स इन सीमरगढ़. देन डियर सर आपका सैल्यूटेशन एंड देन बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. आई एम राइटिंग टू ब्रिंग टू योर अटेंशन द डिप्लोरेबल कंडीशन ऑफ पब्लिक पार्क्स इन आवर टाउन सीमरगढ़. As a resident of this beautiful city, I am deeply concerned about the lack of maintenance and care given to these green spaces. Unfortunately, the parks have become dumping grounds for garbage and are filled with pools of stagnant water. Make sure जो क्वेश्चन के अंदर आपको क्लूज गिवन है उसका बेस्ट यूज़ करें, making them breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other pests. The parks, which were once a source of recreation and relaxation for the residents, have now become eyesores. The lack of proper maintenance has led to overgrown grass, broken benches, non-functional lighting. The condition of these parks not only affects the aesthetic appeal of our city but also poses health risks to the residents, especially children and the elderly. Then next paragraph में आपको suggestions भी mention करनी है. I would like to suggest the following measures to improve the maintenance of public parks in Semargarh, like regular cleaning, maintenance of green spaces, proper lighting, waste management, community involvement, regular inspection, and so on, which you prefer to add. Then आपको ending करनी है. I hope you will take immediate action to address the poor condition of our public parks. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss this matter further and explore ways to work together to improve the maintenance of our parks. Thank you for your attention to this. Sincerely, Rashi. Now let's move to the second letter. You are Bella Balu of Palanpuri. You recently visited a craft mela. You were delighted to see the diversity of handicrafts, handlooms, and cultural fabrics of India. However, you were dismayed that not many people were there to encourage the artisans. Write a letter to the editor expressing your views on the situation and the need to support indigenous art and craft. So, here is the solution. First your sender address, then date, and then receiver address में first line में the editor, then second line newspaper का name which you consider, which you prefer, any newspaper name and city and state, and then 1 line छोड़कर subject supporting indigenous art and craft, and then salutation. I recently had the privilege of visiting a craft fair in our city and I was truly mesmerized by the diversity of handicrafts, handlooms and the rich cultural fabric of India on display. तो ये देखिए सारा जितना कंटेंट था हमने क्वेश्चन में से ही लिया है. स्टार्टिंग में the artisans' skill and dedication to their craft were evident in every piece they created. However, what struck me was the lack of crowd and enthusiasm from the public to support these talented individuals. Second paragraph. As I walked through the fair, I saw beautiful hand woven fabrics, intricate wood carvings, and exquisite pottery, each piece telling a story of its own. But sadly, many of these artisans were struggling to attract customers. It's heartbreaking to see these skilled craftsmen and women who are who are the custodians of our cultural heritage facing difficulties in sustaining their livelihood. Then, next paragraph, I strongly believed that it's essential for us to support our indigenous art and craft. These artisans are not just skilled craftsmen, they are the keepers of our traditions and cultural identity. By supporting them, we are not only promoting their livelihood but also preserving our rich cultural heritage. नाउ यू कैन सी आपको वर्ड का एक्सप्रेशन और वर्ड का जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो किस तरीके से करना है. देन नेक्स्ट लास्ट पैराग्राफ रहेगा, आई अर्ज द पब्लिक टू टेक एन इंटरेस्ट in our indigenous art and craft. Let's encourage these artisans by buying their products, promoting their work, and appreciating their skills. We must recognize the value of their craft and the importance of preserving our cultural tradition. I hope that through your newspaper you can help spread awareness about the importance of supporting our indigenous art and craft. Let's work together to promote and preserve our cultural heritage. Sincerely, Bella. Ending. As Vaibhav, the club in charge of your school's ecology club, you strongly believed in the importance of starting eco clubs in schools in the rural areas surrounding your city to promote the preservation and conservation of nature. Write a letter to the education secretary of your city in about 120 words highlighting the significance of ecological awareness and suggesting the need to establish eco clubs in these schools. First sender address and then date and then one line छोड़कर receiver address. The education secretary, city education department कोई भी लिख देना and then city का name. One line escape, subject आएगा establishing eco clubs in rural schools. Then salutation and then, as the club in charge of our school's ecology club, I strongly advocate for starting eco clubs in schools in the rural areas surrounding our city. Ecological awareness is crucial for the preservation and conservation of nature. By introducing eco clubs in rural schools, we can educate students about environmental issues, promote sustainable practices, and encourage community involvement. This initiative will not only foster a sense of responsibility towards nature but also empower young minds to become eco-conscious citizens. I request you to consider this proposal and support the establishment of eco clubs in rural schools. And then ending. Sincerely, Vaibhav. Now you can see the rest of the letter with solution here. So these are the previous year midterm letters 2024-25. You can take example with these letter also. So there are daily reports in the newspaper of fatal accidents due to reckless driving and road rage. Write a letter to the Commissioner of Traffic Police in about 120 suggesting the need to take stricter action against the offender. Recommend the use of social media to launch awareness campaign about the driving. You are Shantanu Savita, लिविंग एट B108 कृषि अपार्टमेंट. यहाँ आप देखिए एक सेंडर एड्रेस गिवन है, सो वी नीड टू यूज़ दिस सेंडर एड्रेस and then date and then the Commissioner of Traffic Police. Subject: stricter action against reckless driving and road rage. And you can see the rest of the letter here. देखिए यहाँ जो सजेशन देने हैं आप वो अपने पास से एड ऑन कर सकते हैं. आई स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट दैट स्ट्रिक्टर एक्शन बी टेकन अगेंस्ट ऑफेंडर इंक्लूडिंग hefty फाइन्स, लाइसेंस सस्पेंशन एंड मैंडेटरी डिफेंसिव ड्राइविंग कोर्सेज. Additionally, I recommend utilizing social media platforms to launch awareness campaign about safe driving practices. Okay, let's move to the next one. Specific, a leading communication company, Savera, is sponsoring a half marathon run in your city to raise funds for Koshish and orphanage. You are Roshni, school captain of Adarsh half marathon to be held in your city. Write a letter of Delhi emphasizing the participation of school children in school programs as part of voluntary community service. Highlight the benefit of participating in such activities. So the answer is sender address, your school name, and then date, and then the principal Adarsh school. Okay, so that's it for today in this video. Here are some examples, some practice letters for you guys. So just practice, keep practicing for your midterm exam. Thank you so much for watching.